Welcome back to AS Motor Zone. This car is not just a camper van. This car is freedom on wheels, comfort on the road, and a bold vision of how people will travel in the future. Today, I am bringing you a full, detailed review of a Toyota camper van. And in this video, I will explain everything about its exterior design, interior comfort, performance, engine, mileage, driving experience, safety, technology, and price. This is my own concept style, and in the future, vehicles like this camper van may become a reality. So let's begin this complete and exciting journey with the Toyota camper van. When you first look at the Toyota camper van, the exterior design immediately gives you a feeling of strength, reliability, and modern luxury. Toyota has always been known for durable and long-lasting vehicles, and this camper van carries that same DNA, but with a futuristic and premium look. The front side features the bold Toyota logo placed proudly in the center of the grille, giving it a confident and powerful appearance. The headlights are sharp LED units with a modern design that makes the camper van look both aggressive and elegant at the same time. These lights are designed not only for style, but also for safety, giving excellent visibility at night and in bad weather. The body shape of this camper van is smooth and aerodynamic, not boxy like old-style vans. It looks like a combination of a luxury SUV and a futuristic travel vehicle. The side profile is long and tall, giving it a strong road presence that makes people turn their heads when it passes by. The black tinted windows add privacy and also enhance the premium look. The paint finish is a mix of matte and soft reflective surface, so the body lines and patterns are clearly visible without being disturbed by too much glare. This design makes the camper van look muscular and modern, especially when parked in a showroom or under sunlight. The wheels are large and strong, designed for long highway journeys and off-road adventures. Some versions even come with multiple off-road tires for desert or rough road driving, making this camper van suitable for adventure lovers. From the back, the camper van continues the clean and modern design with stylish taillights and the Toyota logo once again, just like a real luxury vehicle. The rear design is simple but elegant, showing that Toyota focused on both beauty and practicality. Now let's step inside the interior, which truly feels like a moving home. As soon as you enter the Toyota camper van, you feel like you are walking into a small luxury apartment. The materials used inside are high quality, including soft leather seats, wooden or carbon-style panels, and modern LED lighting. The interior color theme is calm and relaxing, making long journeys comfortable and stress-free. The living area is wide and open, with comfortable sofa seating that can easily be converted into a bed. The windows are large, allowing natural light to enter and making the space feel bright and fresh. The floor is made with anti-slip premium material, designed for safety and easy cleaning. The ceiling has soft LED lights that can change brightness according to your mood, creating a warm and relaxing environment at night. The interior layout is smartly designed so that every inch of space is used properly. The kitchen area is compact but very advanced. It includes a modern stove, microwave, sink with clean water system, refrigerator, and multiple cabinets for storage. This kitchen allows you to cook your own food while traveling, which saves money and also gives you the feeling of home. The cabinets are designed in a way that they remain safe and stable while the camper van is moving. The countertop looks premium and easy to clean, making daily use simple and comfortable. The sleeping area is designed for maximum comfort. There's a large bed with a soft mattress, perfect for 2 adults to sleep peacefully. Some models also include extra foldable beds for children or guests. The bedroom area has its own lights, charging ports, and small windows for ventilation. This makes sleeping inside the camper van feel just like sleeping in a hotel room, but with the freedom of being on the road.
The bathroom area is small but surprisingly luxurious for a camper van. It includes a toilet, shower, mirror, and storage for toiletries. The hot and cold water system makes it usable in any season. This is one of the most important features for long-distance travel because you don't need to stop at public restrooms again and again. You can stay comfortable and clean wherever you go. Storage space is another strong point of the Toyota camper van. There are cabinets above the seats, under the bed, and in different corners of the vehicle. You can store clothes, food, tools, and travel accessories easily. Some models also include external storage compartments for luggage and camping equipment. The interior is designed in a way that it feels spacious, even though it is a camper van. Now let's talk about performance and driving experience. The Toyota camper van is built on a strong and reliable Toyota chassis, which means it is stable, durable, and powerful. The engine is usually a diesel or hybrid engine that provides strong torque and smooth power delivery. This camper van is not made for racing, but it is perfect for highway cruising and long-distance journeys. The steering feels light and easy to control, even though the vehicle is big and heavy. Driving this camper van feels confident and safe. The engine does not struggle with weight, and acceleration is smooth and controlled. On highways, it feels stable and comfortable, and on mountain or desert roads, it shows good balance and control. The suspension system absorbs road bumps and makes the ride smooth for passengers, which is very important for long trips. Fuel efficiency is also an important factor. Compared to other luxury camper vans, the Toyota camper van offers better mileage because of Toyota's advanced engine technology. It may not be as fuel efficient as a small car, but for a camper van of this size, it provides decent fuel economy. This makes it suitable for long trips without spending too much money on fuel. Now let's talk about safety features. Toyota is known worldwide for its safety systems, and this camper van also includes many advanced safety features. It comes with airbags, ABS brakes, traction control, and stability control. The driver's cabin is designed with safety in mind, giving excellent visibility and comfort. Some models also include rear-view cameras, parking sensors, lane assist, and blind spot monitoring. These features help the driver park easily and drive safely on highways and cities. The strong body structure provides protection in case of accidents, making this camper van a safe choice for families and travelers. Now let's look at technology and entertainment features. The Toyota camper van includes a modern infotainment system with a touchscreen display. It supports navigation, Bluetooth, music, and phone connectivity. There are speakers installed inside the living area for entertainment. USB ports and power outlets are available for charging phones, laptops, and cameras. Air conditioning and heating systems keep the interior comfortable in all seasons. Some models also include solar panels on the roof to support electrical needs and reduce fuel usage. This makes the camper van more eco-friendly and independent. Now let's talk about comfort and lifestyle. The Toyota camper van is designed for people who love luxury travel and adventure at the same time. You can travel across states, park near beaches, mountains, forests, or deserts, and live comfortably inside your camper van. You don't need hotels or restaurants because you have your own bedroom and kitchen. This gives you freedom and independence. You wake up in a new place every day, and your home moves with you. This lifestyle is becoming more popular, especially among travelers, vloggers, and families who love road trips. Now let's discuss the price and value. The price of a Toyota camper van depends on the model, size, and features. Because it is a luxury camper van, it is more expensive than basic vans. However, you get premium quality, advanced safety, modern technology, and long-lasting performance. It is an investment in comfort and lifestyle. Even used Toyota camper vans hold their value well because of Toyota's reputation for reliability and engineering. Maintenance may be higher than normal cars, but the quality and durability make it worth the price. Maintenance is very important for any camper van. The Toyota camper van requires regular servicing, oil changes, brake checks, and tire inspections. With proper care, it can last many years. The interior materials are designed to handle daily use and long journeys. Spare parts are available in many countries because Toyota has a wide service network, making ownership easier and more reliable. Now let's talk about who should buy a Toyota camper van. This camper van is perfect for people who want comfort, reliability, and performance in one package. It is ideal for families who enjoy long trips, content creators who want to make travel videos, and couples who want to explore the world together.
It is also suitable for business people who want a mobile office with comfort and style. If you love traveling but don't want to compromise on comfort, this camper van is a great choice. I hope you enjoyed this detailed review in my own style. This is my own concept style, and in the future, vehicles like this camper van may become a reality. And I will keep bringing you more unique and detailed car and camper van reviews like this. If you like this video, share it with your friends and support the channel for more amazing content. Subscribe to Tanas Motor Zone.